we are going hands-on with the brand new Juice Pack Access from Mophie for the iPhone X, XS, XS Max, and XR. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider. Juice Pack Access is an iteration on Mophie's signature Juice Pack battery case, and it fits all of the latest iPhones. It comes in 4 really distinct colors. What really differentiates it from the past Juice Packs is the bottom is completely open. You can see there's complete access to that lightning port, and it uses a USB-C port to charge the battery pack itself. The case is fairly slim, and you can see those kind of chromed buttons that are both on the right and the left sides for the power and the volume rockers. There's a bit of a bump on the back, and it kind of looks like what we've been seeing for Apple's own cases that have yet to be released. There is a small button on the back with 25% battery indicators so you can see how much juice is left in the Juice Pack Access. So how does this charge your phone? Well, it's all through wireless charging. You can see here that the Juice Pack Access actually gets its charge from wireless chargers as well as that USB-C port. It has 10 watts of input power, and then there is 5 watts of power going from the battery case to the phone. And thanks to Priority Plus charging, whenever you are charging everything together, your phone always gets the battery or the power first, and then the battery in the Juice Pack is charged. Inside is a 22,000 milliamp hour battery. On the color side, the iPhone XR gets a couple of special colors, including this really bright, vivid blue and this red. Both of these colors are because they match those colors of the iPhone XR, which has different finishes than the iPhone XS and XS Max, as well as the legacy iPhone X. When it is on your iPhone, it feels pretty great. It feels good in the hand, has a really solid premium feel to the case itself, and at $120 it should feel rather premium. Here are some of the colors for the iPhone XS, X, XS Max, and here is the bluish one, which they also call Slate. The top of the case itself comes apart, which is how you get your phone in and out of it. Really easy to do and holds on very securely, and has a nice little solid snap when the case is put together. At AppleInsider, we're huge fans of battery cases, especially ones as well implemented as this. Yes, the power going from the case to the phone is a little slow, only 5 watts, but when you're using this all day, that's not going to matter. By throwing this on your phone, Mophie says you can get up to 25 hours of charge time on the smaller phone models, and on the iPhone XS Max, you'll get 31 hours of charge time. Mophie is planning on releasing these cases right after March. So what do you think of the new Juice Pack Access? Do you guys like it? And which color is your favorite? Any of the 4 traditional colors or one of those bright colors for the iPhone XR? Be sure to sound off and let us know down below.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.